Go out that way where it's nice.
Push away if you want to.
Watch out, Jeff.
Coming down. Oh.
Hold on, we got a giant spider.
No way.
Oh yeah, it's a big one. Alright. Next, please.
Ready?
Yeah.
Am I ready?
I think you're ready. You're ready. Yeah, he climbed it.
What?
He climbed the hard way. He wanted a little challenge.
That was good drama there.
Ready?
Almost.
You have to.
Oh.
Ready?
Maybe he's not even at the edge.
Oh yeah. It's all on video.